The Anunnaki are often portrayed as deities in ancient Mesopotamian texts. Traditional interpretations view the Anunnaki as mythological figures. Some researchers propose that the Anunnaki were an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. This perspective suggests the Anunnaki interacted with early humans. The extraterrestrial hypothesis challenges the conventional understanding of human history. This radical interpretation also questions the origins of humanity. The Anunnaki influence theory suggests archaeological anomalies and advanced knowledge in ancient civilizations as potential evidence. Proponents suggest the Anunnaki imparted knowledge of agriculture, mathematics, astronomy, and social structures to ancient civilizations. This alleged knowledge transfer may have accelerated human development in ancient societies. The Anunnaki influence theory challenges the linear progression model of human advancement. Comparative mythology analyzes ancient texts to identify shared themes and structures across cultures. Linguistic analysis reveals potential connections and shared origins between different mythologies. Mythological themes are compared across cultures to identify common archetypes and narrative patterns. Interpretations of ancient texts are subject to academic debate and diverse perspectives. The validity of mythological interpretations is not universally accepted within academic circles. Critical evaluation of evidence and consideration of alternative explanations are essential in mythological studies. The Anunnaki are depicted as deities in ancient Mesopotamian texts. These texts describe the Anunnaki's roles and interactions with early human societies. Cuneiform tablets serve as the foundational source material for Anunnaki studies. Ancient Mesopotamian texts are the origin of the Anunnaki narrative. The Anunnaki narrative is rooted in archaeological findings from ancient Mesopotamia. Anunnaki studies rely on the interpretation of cuneiform texts. The Anunnaki are subject to differing interpretations among historians and theorists. Some view the Anunnaki as literal extraterrestrial beings who influenced early human development. Others interpret the Anunnaki as symbolic figures representing cultural or societal forces within ancient Mesopotamian civilizations. The extraterrestrial interpretation suggests direct intervention in human evolution and technology. The symbolic interpretation emphasizes the Anunnaki as metaphors for power structures and social dynamics. These debates highlight the complexities and open questions surrounding Anunnaki research. Distinguishing fact from fiction in Anunnaki studies presents a considerable challenge. The field blends ancient mythology, speculative theories, and contemporary interpretations. Verifying historical information from unsubstantiated claims is difficult. Critical analysis is essential for responsible engagement with Anunnaki-related topics. Careful source evaluation is crucial in Anunnaki studies. Theories suggest the Anunnaki possessed advanced technologies that influenced ancient civilizations. These technologies may have included advanced construction methods, energy sources, or metallurgical processes. Archaeological sites provide potential evidence of advanced construction techniques. Ancient texts are cited to support claims of knowledge transfer or direct intervention by the Anunnaki. Advanced metallurgical processes could explain the creation of durable and sophisticated artifacts. The Anunnaki's energy sources might have enabled advanced technologies and infrastructure. The Anunnaki's purported ability to travel through space is central to many related theories. These theories suggest the Anunnaki arrived on Earth from another planet, potentially Nibiru. Advanced spacecraft are theorized as the means of transportation used by the Anunnaki for interstellar travel. Interstellar travel involves overcoming significant challenges related to propulsion systems and long-duration voyages. The capabilities attributed to the Anunnaki imply a mastery of advanced engineering and physics principles. Discussions of Anunnaki space travel often involve speculation about the technologies required for interstellar colonization. A controversial theory proposes that the Anunnaki genetically engineered humans. This theory suggests the Anunnaki manipulated early hominids to create modern humans. The purported motives include using humans for labor or other unspecified purposes. The theory involves discussions of genetic modification, and evolutionary leaps. Sumerian tablets offer textual references to beings potentially identified as the Anunnaki. Archaeological findings provide material evidence that may correlate with descriptions of the Anunnaki. Specific passages within the Sumerian tablets describe the Anunnaki's origins and roles. Ancient texts detail interactions between the Anunnaki and early humans. The presented evidence aims to provide raw, textual, and material data for viewer consideration. The module focuses on presenting primary sources related to the Anunnaki narrative. Göbekli Tepe, an archaeological site, is examined for architectural anomalies that challenge conventional historical timelines. Ancient Mesopotamian cities are analyzed for symbolic representations aligning with descriptions found in ancient texts. Visual evidence of advanced construction techniques at various archaeological sites is presented. Unusual artifacts discovered at these sites are showcased, challenging traditional historical interpretations. This module presents diverse interpretations surrounding the Anunnaki evidence. Expert opinions from archaeologists, linguists, and historians are included. Both supportive and skeptical perspectives on the Anunnaki evidence are acknowledged. The module concludes by posing open questions to encourage further research. Viewers are encouraged to engage in critical thinking regarding the presented evidence. The presented evidence is subject to ongoing investigation and debate. The segment provides a recap of key points related to the Anunnaki. The Anunnaki's purported origins are reviewed, highlighting their place in ancient mythologies. The Anunnaki's role in ancient mythologies is summarized, focusing on their influence on early civilizations. The mysteries surrounding the Anunnaki's existence are explored, emphasizing unresolved questions. The segment revisits the debated influence of the Anunnaki on human history and development. The recap aims to consolidate understanding of the Anunnaki narrative presented in the video. The Anunnaki's enigmatic nature fuels ongoing fascination with their secrets. Unanswered questions persist regarding the Anunnaki's potential impact on human history. The alluring nature of the Anunnaki reinforces the intrigue surrounding their existence. The Anunnaki's legacy continues to provoke speculation and inspire exploration into humanity's origins. Viewers are encouraged to share their thoughts and opinions regarding the Anunnaki. The comments section serves as a platform for discussion and diverse perspectives on the Anunnaki. Additional videos offer more intriguing content related to ancient civilizations. Further exploration includes mythology and unsolved mysteries connected to the Anunnaki.